A chandragrahan, often referred to as a lunar eclipse, is a truly captivating celestial phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for millennia. It occurs when the Earth, in its eternal dance around the Sun, moves directly between the Sun and the Moon, creating a unique alignment in our solar system. As a result, our planet casts its shadow upon the Moon, gently dimming its radiant glow and transforming its appearance. This spectacular event can only happen during a full moon, when the lunar disk is at its brightest. This is when the Sun, Earth and Moon align perfectly in a straight line, a configuration that sets the stage for the eclipse. This alignment, a phenomenon called syzygy, is a key ingredient for a lunar eclipse to occur. Lunar eclipses aren't all the same. There are three distinct types: total, partial and penumbral, each type depending on how much of the Moon passes through the different regions of Earth's shadow, the umbra and penumbra. In a total eclipse, when the Moon passes entirely through the Earth's umbra, the Moon often turns a striking red or reddish-brown hue, a phenomenon widely known as a blood moon, a truly awe-inspiring sight. The Moon's orbit around the Earth is tilted by about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit around the Sun, so eclipses don't happen every full moon, making them relatively special events to witness. They only occur when the Moon crosses the Earth's orbital plane at specific points called lunar nodes, where the two orbital paths intersect. Throughout history, ancient astronomers meticulously observed and learned to predict these events with remarkable accuracy, transforming what was once shrouded in mystery and superstition into a celebrated spectacle of scientific understanding. Today, with the aid of advanced technology and sophisticated calculations, we can forecast every chandragrahan, not just years but centuries in advance, providing us with a glimpse into the future of celestial events. This cosmic event connects us to the vastness of the universe, offering a moment to reflect on our place within it. It's a beautiful blending of scientific observation and the sheer wonder of the cosmos. It serves as a powerful reminder of the elegant laws of physics and celestial mechanics that govern the movements and interactions within our solar system, creating these breathtaking displays. In 2025, a significant chandragrahan will occur on August 29th. This partial lunar eclipse will be visible across Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia, including all of India. The Earth's shadow will cover part of the Moon, creating a dramatic bite effect. For those observing religious or cultural traditions, knowing the exact date and local timings is crucial. Astronomical almanacs like Drik Panchang will provide city-specific schedules for the eclipse's phases. For astronomers, it's a chance for observation. For those following Vedic customs, it's essential for planning rituals. This eclipse coincides with a major Hindu festival, making August 29th a day of both celestial and cultural significance. Mark your calendar to witness this rare intersection of science and tradition. Mark your calendars. August 29th, 2025 is a date of celestial significance. It's not just the date of a lunar eclipse, a captivating astronomical event visible to many. It's also Raksha Bandhan, a beloved festival deeply rooted in Indian culture, celebrating the sacred and cherished bond between siblings. This festival is filled with love, promises, and joyful moments. Raksha Bandhan traditionally falls on the full moon of Shravana, a month considered highly auspicious in the Hindu calendar. But in 2025, this full moon night coincides with the chandragrahan, the lunar eclipse. This rare and unique overlap of a significant festival and a celestial event naturally raises questions and considerations for families across the country. The central question becomes, how do families honor both the festive traditions of Raksha Bandhan and the specific customs associated with a lunar eclipse? According to Hindu beliefs, a Sutak period, signifying ritual impurity, is traditionally observed. This period occurs before and during the eclipse, a time when auspicious activities, like temple visits and certain rituals, are generally avoided. Since the core rituals of Raksha Bandhan involve tying the sacred Rakhi thread and the joyous sharing of food and sweets, the timing and duration of the Sutak period directly and significantly affects how families can plan and execute their Raksha Bandhan celebrations. Therefore, families face a decision. Should they perform the Raksha Bandhan rituals before the Sutak begins, wait until it ends, or seek a suitable compromise that respects both traditions? To navigate this unique situation, astrologers and learned pandits are often consulted for their wisdom and guidance. Their expertise helps families determine the most auspicious and appropriate window of time for performing the Raksha Bandhan ceremony, ensuring blessings and well-being. This convergence of Raksha Bandhan and a lunar eclipse undoubtedly makes planning the festival more complex and requires careful consideration. But it also has the potential to make the celebration even more meaningful and spiritually enriching. In India, a Chandra Grahan is steeped in tradition and spiritual significance. Mythology tells of Rahu swallowing the moon, making the eclipse a time of caution and ritual. The Sutak Kal, starting 9 hours before the eclipse, brings a pause to daily life. Temples close, worship halts, and new ventures are avoided. Food is neither cooked nor eaten during this period. Tulsi leaves are placed on pre-cooked food for protection. After the eclipse, people bathe, cleanse their homes, and prepare fresh meals. Acts of charity are encouraged to counteract any negative effects. These customs, passed down for generations, reflect a blend of faith, health, and community. The Grahan is not just an astronomical event, but a time for reflection and renewal. From a scientific perspective, a lunar eclipse is understood as a natural and harmless event. It's a celestial dance that we can predict with remarkable accuracy, thanks to our understanding of physics and astronomy. It is, in essence, simply the Earth's shadow falling on the moon as it passes through space. This alignment of the sun, Earth, and moon creates a beautiful display. The captivating red blood moon effect occurs because sunlight is filtered and refracted through Earth's atmosphere, scattering away blue light and allowing the redder wavelengths to reach the lunar surface. This is not a sign of impending danger or misfortune, but rather a beautiful demonstration of atmospheric optics. Many myths surround lunar eclipses, including beliefs about food becoming unsafe to eat or the eclipse somehow harming one's health. However, these claims have absolutely no scientific basis. Eating, cooking, and even going outside to view the eclipse are all completely safe activities. There's no need to change your routine. Unlike solar eclipses, which require special eye protection, lunar eclipses pose absolutely no risk to your eyes. Watching with the naked eye is perfectly safe and enjoyable, and using binoculars or a telescope can enhance the viewing experience. Similarly, concerns about lunar eclipses affecting pregnant women are completely unfounded and rooted in superstition. Rigorous scientific research has consistently shown that there is no link whatsoever between lunar eclipses and any adverse health risks or pregnancy complications. While it's true that the moon's position affects Earth's gravity, the gravitational changes during a lunar eclipse are negligible. These subtle shifts have no discernible effect on humans or our daily lives. Therefore, science encourages us to cast aside these unfounded fears and simply enjoy the awe-inspiring spectacle of a lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse is a perfect opportunity to spark curiosity, foster learning, and marvel at the wonders of the universe. To celebrate Raksha Bandhan on August 29, 2025, thoughtful planning is key. The best advice: perform the Rakhi ceremony before the Sutak period begins, usually in the morning or early afternoon. If that's not possible, discuss with family to find a comfortable compromise. Some may tie the Rakhi before Sutak and feast after the eclipse, blending tradition with practicality. Prepare sweets and snacks ahead of time, or plan a post-eclipse meal as a special family gathering. The end of the Grahan can become a moment of renewal, starting the feast with fresh energy. The essence of Raksha Bandhan is love and unity. Open communication ensures a joyful celebration. With flexibility and respect, families can honor both tradition and togetherness. The 2025 Chandra Grahan and Raksha Bandhan offer a rare chance to blend science and tradition. Understanding the eclipse as a natural event lets us marvel at the cosmos without fear. At the same time, respecting rituals like Sutak honors the beliefs that give meaning to family life. Plan the Rakhi ceremony for an auspicious time, and enjoy the feast when it feels right for your family. Open conversations help bridge generational perspectives. This day is a celebration of sibling love and cosmic wonder. By embracing both scientific knowledge and sacred customs, families create lasting memories. The universe and tradition come together, making August 29, 2025 truly unforgettable.